Okay, we got another one that is quite interesting here. It's AI automation and voice agent integration specialist job. It was posted 2 hours ago. What about the price here? It's not really stated. Is it stated? Oh, it's a $500, right? So I think the job here is to integrate AI receptionist with scheduling tools, like Google Calendar, for instance. I think we can leverage from what we've developed before. So I think the process here is we got the 11 Labs AI agent, and then we talk to them, and then it can schedule probably appointments using Google Calendar. And I think along the way, we can also think about integrating it with some documents. Okay, I think it's doable. Let's start then. All right. So to enable that feature where we can call our AI agent and connect that with the n8n, we need to use Twilio. Now, I've got my account set up. In the beginning, when you create a new account, they will give you some credits. In this case, it's £10 credit, right? So now, to enable a phone number, you're gonna have to buy one. Just go to the phone number, and then you can buy a number if you want. Let's say your country is from the United States, you can just choose one. I live in the UK, so I'm gonna choose UK, the UK. So I can choose one of the phone number that I want. I can buy that. I just have to click buy, and you can do the voice call. You can also do fax, which I'm not really sure if people still do that nowadays. Next, and individual. Next. Okay, then assign that to your Twilio account, right? So I've already gotten a number, so I'm not gonna do this. So let's have a look at the number, and this is the number that I've got, right? So what I need to do is I need to copy this bit, right? Without the plus 454. So I'm gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna head over to 11 Labs, and this is this 11 Labs. Go to the phone numbers, and then you can import number from Twilio. Then put a label on it. Let's say AI agent. Okay, and then pick United Kingdom. Paste here. Then if you need the Twilio account SID. I've already got mine, so if you don't have anything, then you need to enter the SID. What you need to do is you need to go back to Twilio again, and then go to account dashboard, and this is the information. So you will copy the SID and then the token. So let's say, for instance, for the sake of argument, I'm not going to do this again because I've done it. You got it? Oops, this is not right. Okay, this import. Okay, I've got one already, so it's gonna be support agent. That's where we signed that to from our previous agent that we created in the previous video. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we got the number imported to the 11 Labs, and the next thing we need to do is we need to set up the Google Calendar. Okay, now what we want to do next is to connect our AI agent to the Google Calendar. So the first thing I would need to do is I need to click Tools and then add Calendar. So we can just simply choose Google Calendar tool, right? Now we need to add the credential to connect with. So let's head over to the console.cloud.google.com. Then we click the API and services, which is in this case, and I need to ensure that, okay, I choose the right email address. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of this in the meantime. So let's go to the content screen and client. Okay, so I've got one already, but I think for the sake of experiments, I'm just going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to delete this, and okay, then I'm going to create a new one. But before that, let's go to audience, and then we don't want to publish the app yet at the moment. What we want is we just need to add users for the testing, the user type external or test user. That's what I mean. So the reason why is because we want to ensure that when we log in to this account from our n8n, then the request can come through. Okay, let's go back to the clients again one more time, and then we can create new client. And the type of application is going to be web application, right? I'm going to call it n8n. Then I'm going to add a URI for the authorized redirect URIs, and just go back to the n8n again. So we're going to create a new one, and we're going to copy this bit, right? Okay, we're going to copy this bit, come back here again, paste here. Then yeah, I think we're good to go. Let's just create one. Okay, so we'll get this information. So I'm gonna download the JSON file so that because once we get out of this window, then we're gonna lose everything. So I'm gonna copy this area, and then we paste it here, and then the client secret as well, and we're gonna paste here. Now, keep in mind that this is secret. You're not supposed to share this with everyone, right? After this video, I'm just gonna delete this so no one can access my email anyway. Even if they can access my email, this is a like a fake email anyway. Okay, sign in with Google. My email. Continue. I'm gonna select all, and then I'm gonna continue. It is successful. Yeah, great. Now we have this one, and it is already, so we already entered the credential. What we want to do is we essentially want to create an event. So the operation is going to be create, and then the list is going to be andika.smart, which is that's the email. And then I'm going to let AI decide. I'm going to let AI decide the start and the end as well. And what we want to add as well is the description, and let's let the AI decide. And what else? I think summary is gonna be quite useful as well, and I'm gonna let the AI to decide. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna execute workflow, and I'm gonna make a phone call to my ElevenLab account.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, could you please create a meeting event for tomorrow, start from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. about Automath projects, please?
Okay, I will create a meeting event for you. Just to confirm, the meeting is scheduled for tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. regarding the Automath project. Is that correct?
That's true.
For the Automath
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Right, let's have a look. There you go, but the timing is a bit wrong. It's supposed to be 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I'm not really sure why. If you know anything about this, please let me know. And yeah, I think in general the system is working. We can make a phone call using the Twilio phone number, and then we enable the AI agent from ElevenLabs and connect everything to n8n, where it knows about our projects, and then we can set up a Google event. So I think in general this system is working. Thank you very much.